In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Email Octopus for beginners. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a verified sender, a contact list imported, and your first campaign sent. Once you are logged into your Email Octopus dashboard, go to the top right corner and open Account Settings. This is where you manage key account details that affect deliverability. In the menu, select Sender. Your sender is the email identity your subscribers will see in their inbox, so it is important to set this up before you send anything. On the sender page, click Add Sender. Enter the email address you want to send from, then start the verification process. Email Octopus will send a verification message to that address. Open the message and follow the verification link or instructions inside. This step confirms you control the address and helps protect your account and your recipients. If you do not see the message right away, check your spam or promotions folder and allow a minute for delivery. After your sender is verified, you are ready to bring in your contacts. Go to the area where you can add contacts and choose Lists. Lists are how you organize subscribers, so select the list you want to use or create one if needed within that section. Next, click Import to upload your CSV file of contacts. Make sure your CSV is clean and formatted properly before you upload it. Your file should include at least an email column, and any extra fields, like first name, should be in their own columns. During import, confirm that each CSV column maps to the correct field in Email Octopus. This helps you personalize emails later and keeps your list data accurate. Now you are ready to send a message. Go to Campaigns, choose Create, then select Regular. This option is for a standard email campaign sent to a list. Select the list you imported, then move on to editing your content. Add your subject line, sender details, and email body. Keep your layout clear, use concise text, and double-check links and spelling. When everything looks correct, click Send Now to deliver your campaign immediately. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.